Hola Chiquitas, I'm back with the voiceover, and the reason why I'm doing a voiceover is because I originally recorded this in a whisper voice, but it sounded too much like ASMR and it bugged me. But and I was whispering because my whole family's asleep and I don't want to wake them up. But don't worry, we have the voiceover. Anyways, so yeah, so the question says you need a 45 ohm resistor, but the stockroom has only 20 ohm and 50 ohm resistors. How can the desired resistance be achieved using these circumstances? And B, what can you do if you need a 35 ohm resistor? So this question in particular actually took a lot of trial and error here, and here, but luckily I found the correct combination of resistors for you, so do not fret, we will solve this together. So the first thing I did was, I can't even see what I'm doing because my computer screen is broken, but we can use two 50 ohm resistors and draw them in parallel, as I should be doing here. Yes, okay, here we go. So I'm drawing two 50 ohm resistors in parallel in a circuit. There we go, two 50 ohm resistors. And we know that, what was I saying? Oh yeah, we know that the equivalent resistance of a set of resistors connected in parallel is 1 over KEQ equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. So here, using our little formula, we can plug in these two values. So 1 over 50 plus 1 over 50 equals 2 over 50, and we want to take the reciprocal of that, so it's going to be 50 over 2, which equals 25 ohms. So we can redraw this circuit as so. I think I'm fixing it there. Yes, I am. So that circuit has resistance of 25 ohms. And since we need circuits with 45 ohms and we only have 20 ohms and 50 ohm resistors in the stock room, we can add a 20 ohm resistor right here in series. And doing so will give us a total resistance of 45 ohms in this circuit. And that's how you do A. So now for B, it's the same thing. It took a lot of trial and error, but luckily I solved it, and we will solve it here together. So we know from the previous example that two 50 ohm resistors make one, oh, I think I'm drawing it again. So yes, there are two 50 ohm resistors make one 25 ohm resistor. And this is what we solved in the last problem. But then we need a total of 35 ohms. So we can experiment and try with two 20 ohm resistors. And when we do this, we can plug it back into our formula to get 1 over 20 plus 1 over 20, which equals 2 over 20, which can simplify when you flip it to 10. So we know that two 20 ohm resistors in parallel equals one 10 ohm resistor. So here we have these two resistors in parallel of 10 and 25, but what we can do here is we can connect them to be in series, and doing so will give us a total resistance of 35 ohms. Oh no, it disappeared. But thank you for watching and listening. Okay, bye. Thank you.